In hospitality management, I will connect the chapter 1 of supply chain management. That obtain introduces the basic and emphasizes the importance of efficient supply chain. The first is customer satisfaction. A streamlined supply chain ensures that hotels, restaurants, and other facilities can provide quality and service consistently, keeping guests satisfied. For instance, timely delivery of fresh food, ingredients, or housekeeping supply directly impacts guest experience. The next is cost control. Managing supply effectively helps reduce costs by optimizing procurement, reducing waste, and avoiding overstock. This is especially important in hospitality where profit margin can be tight. The next is operational efficiency. Supply chain allows for smoother operation, ensuring that all departments have what they need when they need it, fr- from linens and cleaning supply to dining ingredients. Sustainability, the hospitality industry is increasingly focusing on sustainability practices. And the risk management is supply chain management helps to mitigate risks related to supplier reliability, seasonal demand, and external disruption, ensuring in the face of unexpected challenges. Understanding this fundamental in Chapter 1 helps establish a foundation for exploring advanced topics like supply relationship management and demand forecasting, which are crucial for running a successful hospitality business.